Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have got an item that you want to return without a box. It's not really a problem, and since in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk on how to actually return an Amazon item without the original packaging. We're gonna try to make it fast, we're gonna try and make it easy, useful as possible. Let's get started. So, we will have to access Amazon. You're gonna ask me how to do this. You can either go through Amazon.com on your desktop, Android or iOS, or you can go through the Amazon Shopping app. So tap on the link, then go all the way here, log in using the same email address and password you used to buy the item. Then we're gonna go to my orders here, returns and orders. Select the item that you have ordered and you want to return. Then choose a return button here. So when choosing a return method, select no box, no label if available. Then take the item to the selected drop-off location. As for some additional tips, not all items qualify for no box returns. Amazon will package the item for you at the drop-off point, and that's the main idea here. But as I told you, not every item can qualify for this no box returns. So if you have bought like a monitor or maybe a PC, it's pretty much a no, since it's kind of like an electronics that needs the basically original packaging. And that's it, so thank you all for watching. Now I see you all in the next video.